Now, second stanza. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had viewed. Viewed means held in regret. As I have told you that crow is supposed to be Elohim, dust of snow shows inertia, hemlock tree shows sadness. These are the symbols of used in different ways. Has given my heart a change of mood. After the autumn, spring comes. All the time, sorrows do not remain in our life. If we are engulfed in the sorrows, the dark sheet of sorrows will go away, will disappear. Just wait. Here the poet watches, hopes. He was depressed, he was dejected, but the crows shaking off dust of snow bring some changes in the poet's heart. Dust of snow gives him new awakening, renewed life. The depression, the dejection, uncomfortable feelings disappear from the poet's heart, from his mind. And the crow becomes savior. The crow saves his life. The crow saves his rest of the day. Some part of the day was spent in the sadness, in different way, for which the poet is regretful. But the poet wants to save his rest of the day. The crows shaking the snowflakes reminds the poet that he must save the rest of the day. We go on the road. When we start from the house to go going somewhere, and we find a cat. A cat comes across us in the way. We dare not cross the part of the road from where the cat has gone. The cat has gone across the road. The cat has cut the road. Cat shows the element for us. We will come back. We will come back. That this is not the auspicious for us, so we should not go today because the cat has crossed the way. is the ill omen, superstition. But now the poet has proved that this is not crow, hemlock tree, dust of snow made a change in his life. The crow saved the poet's day. Hemlock tree proved to be a good tree for him. The poet came there and stood there, and he had change in his mind. The crow gave him happiness. The hemlock tree was proved by the poet to be the good symbol. So the poet has shown the real pictures of the nature. It depends on our thinking. What is good, what is bad, all depends on our thinking. Nothing is bad, nothing is good. It makes, our thinking makes it so. So the poet's heart has changed. Poet becomes happy and he wants to save the rest of the day. Thank you.